Hello and welcome to everyone. First of all, thanks for taking the course. I am Shuman Ahmed with you. Hi, today I will show you how to interface LCD display with Arduino. Before we start programming, let's check the circuit schematic. Here we connected register selection pin with Arduino 7 number pin, enable pin with Arduino 6 number pin, and serially data 4 connected with Arduino 5 number pin, data 5 to Arduino 4 number, and so on. The ground connected with VSS pin, and 5 voltage connected with VDD pin. To adjust the LCD text brightness, we connected a potential meter with VEE pin. Let's check program code step by step. To use the liquid crystal library in Arduino Shield, we included library header file. The variable LCD becomes an object using the liquid crystal type. The parameters of the function define the Arduino digital interface pins that we connected to the LCD interface pins: register selection, LCD enable, data 4, data 5, data 6, and data 7. The begin function used for defines the number of columns and rows available on the LCD device. This sketch example uses a 20x4 LCD device to display 4 lines of 20 characters. Next, choose the set cursor function to set the cursor to displaying line of text according cursor position. In the set cursor, we assign 3 and 0. That means the text displaying from 3 number columns and first line of LCD. For displaying text to LCD device, we used LCD.print function, and to displaying any string type data, we have to write inside the double quotation. Again, we use set cursor function to move the cursor to the second line on the LCD device before displaying the second line of text. In this function, we assigned 9 and 1. That means the text displaying from 9 number columns and second line of LCD. Then we used LCD.print function and millis function to display the millisecond and divided by 1000. So finally, display will print the time in second. Let's uploading the file into Arduino. I already connected the display with Arduino according to the circuit schematic. You can download Proteus file and Arduino code from video description. Hi guys, hope you enjoys my lecture. Please let me tells your opinions. And if you really enjoys this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watch.